Amazon.com recommendations tutorial. Recommendation systems play a crucial role in enhancing user experience on e-commerce platforms like Amazon.com. Here, we are going to have a Python implementation. Let's implement a simple item to collaborative filtering using Python. So initially you have to import pandas as PD. Then you have to import cosine similarity from sklearn.metrics.pairwise. This cosine similarity will help you implement the collaborative filtering. Here we are having a synthetic data set which we created for multiple users. Suppose we have user 1, user 2, user 3, and there are certain items available like sari, lehenga, kurta, and many more. And users have given certain ratings. User 1 has given certain rating to sari, user 1 has given certain rating to lehenga, user 2 has given certain rating to sari again. So depending on the basis of rating, a cosine similarity is computed. Now on the basis of this cosine similarity, a similarity matrix is created, and depending on the similarity matrix on your screen on Amazon.com, you see the recommendations. So here if you can see, I'm seeing crazy offers and kurta sets recommendations from Amazon.com. Now you can quickly compute the similar scores, you can quickly find out the similar items, and finally you can return the similar items. So in case when we implement this code, so suppose a user searches for lehenga, and depending on the lehenga, on the basis of similarity matrix, related lehengas for the current user profile will be printed. So this is how you can make use of Amazon.com recommendation tutorial. So visit on Amazon.com recommendations tutorial, learn how Amazon recommends products to you, and you can open these products and buy the ethnic wear collection, which is up to 70% off from Amazon.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.